Today, that is gonna have to come down. I'm gonna be trying to port this chainsaw. It's got a pretty decent sized bar on it, so maybe we'll make it a racing rig, I don't know. But for now, we're just gonna port it to get sharpen the chain, yikes. But I think it still runs. We're gonna have to find out if it still runs. So let's take it down, get it on the bench, have a look-see at it. Honestly, I kind of want to measure this bar, just roughly. I don't know if, oh, I do have a tape measure in here. Sick. Be like a 21 inch, 22 inch, because it's the 20 right there. So that's pretty big bar. Cracking airbox, but I mean, I think this thing still runs somehow. Now let's see how many pulls. This is rough. Oh, there we go. We got a stamp right there. Serial number, whatever. Made in Canada. Nice. It's definitely crusty and dusty. But let's see if we can port this thing. Okay. It's loud. Now that we know that the Homelite runs, we're going to start stripping her down to port it. I think I'm going to do some research before I start stripping this thing down to see how hard porting is. Upon my research of porting, there is a lot more to porting a chainsaw than what meets the eye. I was just like, you widen a few things, No, it's like things that I can't even explain. I don't even want to explain because I'm just going to butcher them. But what I'm going to do is just widen a few things. Now, it's not the greatest port job, and it won't be like a port job, but I'm just going to like widen and polish just a little bit. If you want to see any gnarly porting, go to some other video. This is just 17-year-old me trying to port a chainsaw. You know what I'm saying? Let's take stuff apart. It looks really good in there. Not bad for an old Homelite. Should drain the tank quick before I forget. And then we'll start trying to dig into it some more and see what we can see. Look at that thing. I actually cannot get a tool in there if I wanted to. I grinded down a wrench to be able to fit in there because that sucks getting that thing in there. So I think I have a grab on it, maybe. So we're gonna try and loosen it off and see what happens. When I grabbed this wrench, you can clearly see that I grabbed a 12mm. When all of the other ones were clearly an 11mm. What an absolute pain. Also, my spark plug was finger tight when I was running it, which is awesome. There she goes. There we go. Nice. Nice. That looks good in there. Huh? Oh yeah, that looks great. All right, so I gave her a quick clean. Not the greatest, could have done better. Still some stuff in there, but just enough to wear all the oils out of her, and I can start my port job. All right, this is a rigs that I'm working with. We got some polishing wheels, which I didn't know if we had, so that's good. Just smoothing that out, and then maybe take a little bit out of this middle bit here. Don't want it to go too gnarly, but see how it's got that little lip there? Just take that thing out and then go from there. Let's get into this quick and dirty port job. I don't know how she's gonna do. The sides are coming together real well. Inside looks good. I don't know if anybody can see that. Inside looks good. It's looking nice. It's gonna be nice. I'm gonna spend a little more time on it. Okay, I'm gonna call that right about good. Get some of the beams in her. It feels so smooth with the finger. All right, we're booming. We're ready to throw this thing back in. Gave her a real good clean out. She's dialed. She's ported, kinda. So I'm gonna throw this thing together with a quick time lapse. Stay tuned to see if this thing runs and how well it runs with the porting. I'm gonna make a new exhaust for it because this one's kind of totaled. Wow, was that ever a process? Awesome. Okay, well, I got it on there. Chain's a little tight. I have to do some adjustments, but she's ready to fire. It's nighttime. I don't want to kill the neighbors, so I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to fire this bad baby up and see if she runs well. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, what more I should do with this thing. Good morning. I don't know why I have this little guy here. See if the old ported home light will actually run. All right. Let's see if she runs. Heck yes. It's extremely clear to me that this thing just bogs out every time it hits. I don't know if that's fuel, spark, porting that I did. I don't know what it is. Maybe my chain tension. I don't know. Probably needs a new chain as well. I tried to sharpen it, but she's pretty stupid, so yeah, she runs like crap.